Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Rienok IPX7 Bluetooth speaker in case you're having any issues with it not connecting or not pairing with your device, or it keeps disconnecting, or the sound is not right. Any kind of issues like that, troubleshooting can be done and fixed a lot with a hard reset. You will have to re-pair it with whatever device you had it paired to after you've done this. But this will fix a lot of issues and it's quite easy to do. All we need to do is we need to come in here and with the device turned on, we're just going to go ahead and press and hold the power button for 8 seconds. And we're just going to continue to hold it, and we'll know that it happened when this indicator light right here, which is currently blue, when it blinks red. Once it blinks red, we can let go of it and then it will turn off. And then once it turns off, it has completed its reset, and we can go ahead and turn it back on, and then we can repair the speaker with any device that we like. Thanks a lot for watching.